Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of teamwork.com and specifically how to utilize their project history tool effectively. First up, we'll log into our teamwork.com profile. Once logged in, navigate to your desired project. The reason we do this is to isolate the history we want to look at, as teamwork.com records the history of each project individually. Next up, find the Options button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it and select Project History from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it provides a chronological record of everything that has happened in the project, from task creation to file uploads. Now that we've done that, a new page will load, displaying the complete history of your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is pulling up all the data related to the project and presenting it in an easy-to-read format. The project history tool in Teamwork.com is so useful because it allows you to track changes, monitor progress, and even spot potential issues before they become real problems. Let me explain why this matters. Keeping up to date with project history means you're always in the loop, and that's essential for project success. To filter this history, look for the Filters button at the top of the page. Clicking on it will present you with various options to narrow down the history view. You can filter by date, event type, or even by specific team members. This is particularly useful for larger projects where there's a lot going on and you need to focus on specific aspects. And that's it. You've now got the know-how to utilize the project history tool on Teamwork.com effectively. Remember, keeping tabs on your project's history is a great way to ensure smooth and successful project management. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy teamworking.